Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have the Apple TV 3rd generation and a micro USB cable plus a Mac or PC. Once you have those, disconnect the HDMI and power, then plug the micro USB into the Apple TV and the computer. Make sure the computer is on and iTunes is closed until prompted. This lets the restore process be clean and prevents partial writes. If you lose the remote, prepare a keyboard or remote app so you can complete menus later. With the Apple TV connected, open iTunes and wait for the device icon to appear. This is how the computer communicates with the unit. Select the Apple TV and click Restore. iTunes will download and write the firmware, which is why you must be online and patient. You do this because a restore replaces corrupted system files and returns the device to factory defaults. Once the restore begins, do not disconnect power or USB. An interruption can brick the device. Once iTunes reports the restore is complete, unplug the micro USB and reconnect the Apple TV to your TV with HDMI and power it up. You will walk through the initial setup, choose language, Wi-Fi, and sign in to your Apple ID. This step reestablishes normal operation and syncs purchases. If things go wrong, try a different USB cable or port and repeat the process. Also test another computer to isolate hardware faults before assuming the Apple TV is defective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.